And namaste everyone, you're watching Smarty Tech Face and I am Anjali with a new topic related to the MongoDB. In the previous video of mine, I have talked about the MongoDB performance and MongoDB monitoring. So there was a one step, that is the database profiling, where we can check the performance of our MongoDB queries. What that means? It means that if you want to know what are the slow queries that are running in your system on your MongoDB, one way is to go to the log and check the MongoDB logs. That is like this. You can see I have checked the mongodb.log. You can find this path from the mongodb.conf file. I have already mentioned that where you can find the conf file and where you can find the MongoDB log path. So here you can see the slow queries that are running with the call scan, that are running without indexing. What are the queries that are running with more time, that is which are taking more time, right? So what if you don't have the access to the MongoDB servers directly, right? Because the loggers can only be enabled on the MongoDB servers itself. But in this case, what you want that queries that are logged into the file, you want that queries to be inserted in somewhere in the database, so that you can just execute a query and get the data as per your requirement. Maybe you want what are the find queries that are running, what are the calls can running, what are the data which are what are the queries which are running with so much of time. So you can take out the data from the database itself. So how you can do that? You can do using the database profiler. So today we will talk about this, that how it will work for us, what are the steps you can do to enable it, and what if it is not enabled, how it will look alike. So these all things we will see today. So stay tuned with us. Let's get started. So you can go to the MongoDB documentation here. Currently I am checking for the 4.4. Let me go to the 4.0. I think I have a version of 4.0. Let me check. You can see it is a 4.0, but in case you are using some another version, let me just clear one thing. I think from 4.0 they have the different format to enable the profiling, but I will tell you for the other versions itself, because I can see that in the 3.4 there is some other way of enabling it, but I will tell you that how you can do that, what that actually mean here. So let's see that how we can start with this. So what I want, let me just show you what actually we have right now. I have authenticated to admin, right? And I want to get the db.get profiling level. You can see that. What does that mean? We have a 3 levels in the profiling: 0, 1 and 2. 0 means do not log anything into the system, anything into the database. 1 means logged the query which are taking time as per your entries given for the slow queries, right? And the profiling level 2 means it should log all the operations that are running on the MongoDB servers, MongoDB database, right? Here you can see it is mentioned at 0. That means it is not logging anything into the database, but yes, it is logging. You can see that if I'll go to the status, what is it saying? That it was 0 and slow ms. This is the timing which you want to say that okay, if any of the queries are taking more time than this, then please log it. Here it is 0, that means it will not log anything into the database. Here it is 100, that means it is not logging into the database, but yes, it will log into the MongoDB log file. So that's why we are able to see the logs here of query which are running more than taking more than the 100 ms, right? And here is sample rate 1. You can even ignore it for right now, because in the sample rate, what does that mean? After every which you can see that If you want to just log profile only a randomly sampled subset values, it can be of 1 ms. You can set the level from 0 to 1. That will depend on you. Like you can see that in this example, it is sample rate mentioned here is 0.42. That means the following method sets the profiling level for the current database to 1 and sets the profiler sample rate will be the 42% of all the slow operations. That means if 100 slow operations are running, it will sample it for the 42 only for the 42 slow queries. Okay, so that depends on you if you want to give or not. If you don't want to give, if you don't want to provide that, that is okay, you can even skip that, right? So now let's see that how we can set the profiling. Firstly, the profiling should be enabled by database. What does that mean? Let me show you here. Show DBs here. If I want to enable the profiling on the Smarty Techie, right? Because we have the data where the slow queries will be logged. It is the system.profile, and the system.profile collection is available in every database. You can get the collection here too. You can get the collection here too. You can get the collection here too. So enabled on that database which you want to take the slow queries. Let me check it here. Use Smarty Techie. Show collection. Here you can see the show collections. There nothing like that system.profile, but after enabling, let me get the query from here. I will not use the sample rate because I don't want to use it, but yes, I want to use the slow ms like here. So let me tell you one by one what these values are. This is the one. As I have said that there are 3 levels of profiling: 0, 1 and 2. 0 that do not log anything into the database. 1 means log for the slow queries which are taking more than this, and 2 means log for all the operation, do not take care about the slow ms. Okay, so if I'm saying that use the profiling level 1, that means I want to log the queries which are taking more than the 20 ms. But as it is my local system, so I will go with the 1 ms because it will be very difficult for me to show something that is taking very more time to execute. Okay, so this is what I am setting here. You can see that firstly before it was 0 because we haven't set anything, and it was slow ms 1 and it was with the sample rate 1. Okay, so and let me again change it. So you can see that firstly before changing it was 1. We have enabled it. The slow ms was 1 and sample rate was 1, but now it is changed. That means okay 1. Now again let me check to the 1 because I want to check with the slow query with 1 ms, right? So we have set the profiling level, and after setting the profiling level, what you have to do, you can just go and check the collections. Now you can see that before enabling the profiling, we don't have any system.profile collection, but after enabling the profiling, we have the collection name with the system.profile. Now what you have to take care is the system.profile is of the minimal contain only a minimal values. That means you can see that the system.profile collection is a kept collection with default size of 1 MB, so it can only contain several thousand of profile document. But if you want to increase or decrease the size of it, you can go and use these steps to enable the same. But here but at this time you have to set it according to yourself, that it means you want to change it to 1, 0 or 2 or with the slow ms or not. But yes, you can create a collection with a size that will be defined by you. Here we have defining the size with 4 MB. So that will be depend on you that what you want. I just want to taking the profiling for only 1 to 2 hours, so that is okay for me. I can go with the 1 MB. But yes, if you want to go with the whole day long or more than for a month or for every time, you can change the size of it. This is what I want to tell. And yes, we have now enabled the profiling here. So let me just use something like db dot, right, db dot products dot find. I want to check so here it is. And now let me just show db dot products dot find item with value book 9. Okay, so I have made the query. Now let's see if anything we got in the system dot profile. So db dot system dot profile dot find. You can use the normal queries that depend on you. You can see that here that we have, let me just do it with the pretty. So with the pretty, there are some queries that has been logged here, and here we can see that the command we have done is on find operation on products filter, like which we have done here is with all the values. db will be the smarty here, smart techie, and the plan summary was call scan. You can do whatever you want to take out from the query using the, like you want that where the plan summary is calls can give me the queries with that slow query, right? And you can do whatever you want. So you can see from here that what are the slow queries that are running on our system. Okay, so let me go with on another db, use like this one. This is a small show collections. So you can see that in this db also we don't have the system dot profile collection, but after enabling this, see, now we got the system dot profile. What I want to show here is you have to enable the profiling database db by db. You can't even rely on the single database. So if you know that something is going differently, something is degrading the performance of any database, you can enable the profiling level on the database and check it out. And you, by using this, you will be able to get the slow queries even not on the logs. You can even got the slow queries on the in the database and can query according to yourself. There are several queries that has been defined here. You can see that what here they mean, what they want the TS, that is to return information for a certain time range. You can run the query like this. If you want to check if any of the queries has been slower than the 5 milliseconds, you can go with this. So that all depends on you, on which factors you want to check and make an analysis on that. Now in case of MongoDB 3.4 version or 3.2, I can say that less than 4.0, the profiling level is set using this method. Here we don't have like sample rate, but the difference we have is that the thing sample rate we don't have, and for the slow ms we don't have to provide the values like this. You can just provide the 20 here. So this value for the slow ms, this 20 is for the slow ms, and we have the same level here is 0, 1 and 2 for the profiling. So you can do you can enable the profiling level like this. Everything else is same, just the method of enabling the profiling is different, that we don't have the sample rate and we don't have to use particularly the slow ms keyword to enable the profiling. You can only provide the value after comma. So this is how you can do profile. You can enable the profile in the MongoDB version, I think 3.6 also we have the same thing. Let me check. No, in the 3.6 we have to enable the profiling level like this. So before 3.6 you have to do the profiling like this only. Okay. So this is all about enabling the db.profiling, and I think so. Yes, you can see that even on the secondary database you can do it, so because secondary will start writing in the profiling section itself, so you can go and enable it on the secondary database too. It will start writing something to the collection and it will be enabled under the RPL component, that is the replica component. So you can go and start the profiling on the secondary or on the primary itself. So this is all about the profiling level, and I am hoping that it will help you to monitor your MongoDB. If yes, you can comment below. If no, you can even comment below and give me the feedbacks about that. So till then, take care. Bye bye.